Which of the coordinate points below will fall on a line where the constant of proportionality is 3? Select all that apply. Well, if you want to have a line, you're going to need a graph. And if you want a graph, you're going to need some points. So we have this constant of proportionality of 3, and that's what we need to get our points. So we're going to make a little table with x and y. And x, we're just going to keep going up by 1, 2. And then y, because the constant of proportionality is 3, is going to be x times 3. And now we take these points and we're going to change them into ordered pairs. Now try to take a mental picture of this chart because it's going to go away when I click on the other tab. So with ordered pairs, or coordinate points, sorry, we're going to have one, comma 3. We'll have 2, comma 6, 3, comma 9, and so on for all the points in the table. Now scrolling down just a little bit, I'll draw that on the graph. And just doing that, making the table, that might be enough for you to answer this question actually. But if you want to make a graph, as you will need to in a couple other questions, this is what you'll need to do. First of all, you label the x and y axes. And we're just going to go up by 1 for each. And we don't need to go further than 7. We're going to go up by 1 for this. Actually, let me make sure that I start at 0 to make it a proper graph. Okay, and this one will start at 0 as well. So we're going to go up by 1s for the y-axis as well. Sometimes it won't do that. It will make the graph look a little different. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll only go up to 9. Okay, these aren't quite lined up with the actual line. This is harder than it looks, I'm sorry. So it's not the neatest graph in the world, but it's what we need. It's enough for us to be able to plot these points. So 1 and 3, go to the right 1 and then up 3. Right there. 2 and 6 will go to the right 2 and up 6. 3 and 9 will go to the right 3 and then up 9. And then we draw a line through that, through those points. And what we have to do is we have to imagine, what if this line went on forever? It went up all the way to 100 and then 300 for the y value. Or we imagine, what if this table went on forever and did the same thing, 100 to 300? And then we think about, okay, what points would be in that table and what points would be on that line? And we circle those answers, and that's going to get you the correct answer for this question.